Okay, so for this choice board, I'm going to show you examples that look like these, but are not these problems. Okay, so when we're looking at one like this, I could do A parentheses 2B plus 3C. I would do A times 2B, so I would get 2AB. A times 3C, I would get plus 2AC. And the reason I'm putting the A first is because it's alphabetical. It really doesn't matter, but usually you go alphabetical and you put the number in the front. The number is called the coefficient. I want you to look back at this one because you forgot to multiply the 1/2 by the x. An example for this one might be 5x minus 30. So I'm thinking, what's the greatest common factor between 5 and negative 30? Well, 5. So I'm left with what times 5 is 5x? Well, x. What times 5 is negative 30? Negative 6. So that's going to be my answer. For this one, what do both parts have in common? So if I had 3y plus 6y plus 8y. Well, y they have in common. So that would be 3 plus 8. For this one, I'm looking at what do they have in common. So I could do an example like 8m minus 2. Okay, so 2 would be their greatest common factor, so I'd pull the 2 out. 2 times 4m is going to give me 8m. Because 2 times 4m is going to give me 8m. So 2 times negative 1 is going to give me negative 2. This one, if I have r plus 5r plus 8r. So I've got r's in all of them. So that means I'm going to pull the r out. Then I need to think what number times anything is going to give it itself. Well, 1 times any number is going to give it itself. Like 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 8 is 8. So you're going to do 1 times r is r plus 1 times 5 is 5r. 8 times r is 8r. So it would look like that. The last one, I look and see, okay, what letter or number do they all have in common? Well, 2 is the factor of 6, but 2 isn't a factor of 5, so I can't pull a number out, but I can pull an m out of all of them. So I pull the m out, and I'm left with 2n plus 5o plus 6p. I hope that helps. Let me know if it doesn't. I look forward to seeing you back in class. Bye.